Welcome to Next Generation. Imagine driving on a highway in 2028, where the road itself produces clean energy, where EV charging lanes power your car while you're still moving, and where smart traffic systems predict and prevent accidents before they even happen. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of transportation infrastructure already being built today. From solar-powered smart roads, to AI-driven traffic signals, to entire cities preparing eVTOL flying taxi ports in the sky. The next decade will completely change how we move. By 2028, the US will witness roads, rails, and skies working together in harmony, powered by green energy and built for speed, safety, and sustainability. So stay with us till the end of this video as we explore how the green revolution in transportation will reshape our cities, our commutes, and even our planet's future. And don't forget, if you love future tech, hit that subscribe button for more next-generation insights. In 2028, the concept of transportation will not just be about moving from point A to B. It will be about efficiency, sustainability, and intelligence working together. Governments and private companies are now investing billions into futuristic roadways, green public transport, and AI-driven systems that will completely change the daily commute. The streets we drive on will become living, breathing ecosystems that produce energy, adapt to traffic, and connect seamlessly with smart vehicles. One of the biggest transformations will be solar-powered smart roads. Imagine asphalt replaced with solar tiles that generate electricity while supporting heavy vehicles. These smart panels will also display LED lane markings, provide real-time navigation guidance, and even heat themselves in winter to prevent snow buildup. Instead of highways being dead concrete, they will function as massive power stations that feed the grid. Along with solar integration, wireless EV charging lanes will be standard. Today, drivers stop at charging stations for hours, but by 2028, charging will happen while you're driving. Roads embedded with induction coils will transmit power directly to the battery without cables. This will eliminate range anxiety, making electric vehicles truly limitless in city and highway driving. Public transportation will also experience a major shift. Electric and hydrogen-powered buses will dominate cities, running silently with zero emissions. These buses will have AI systems to adjust routes based on real-time passenger demand. For example, if a neighborhood suddenly has a large crowd waiting, the system will automatically send more buses, making waiting times shorter and travel more efficient. But energy isn't the only focus. AI-driven traffic systems will redefine safety. Current traffic lights rely on timers, but by 2028, they will communicate with vehicles in real time. AI will predict congestion, redirect traffic before jams occur, and even stop accidents before they happen by slowing cars automatically through V2X, vehicle-to-everything communication. Cities will breathe easier with reduced traffic, less pollution, and safer roads. And then there is the high-speed green rail revolution. By 2028, the US and Europe will be expanding networks of maglev and hyperloop systems powered entirely by renewable energy. Trains will travel at speeds over 600 km/h, connecting cities in under an hour. These trains will not just reduce air travel pressure, but will also cut down on carbon emissions drastically, making long-distance travel eco-friendly and futuristic. Cities will not only have smarter roads and rails, but also flying infrastructure. By 2028, many US cities will begin installing vertiports for flying taxis. These are like mini airports on rooftops where eVTOL aircraft can take off and land, carrying passengers quickly across urban landscapes. This aerial transport system will reduce traffic on the ground while giving rise to an entirely new industry of sky mobility. By the time we reach 2028, transportation will no longer be defined by vehicles alone, but by smart, green infrastructure that supports them. Roads, rails, and skies will work together to make travel smoother, safer, and greener than ever before. This is only the beginning. In the next part, we'll explore how these innovations will reshape entire cities and lifestyles. By 2028, cities will adopt eco-smart highways, designed with solar panels and AI-driven traffic systems. These roads won't just move cars. They will generate clean power, reduce accidents, and guide vehicles automatically. Urban travel will be safer, smoother, and fully sustainable. Public transport systems will undergo a massive green revolution. Electric and hydrogen buses will dominate, running quietly while cutting carbon emissions. Passengers will enjoy cleaner, faster, and more affordable rides, making private cars less necessary. By 2028, bullet trains powered by renewables will connect major cities in minutes. Imagine traveling 1,000 kilometers in just an hour, comfortably seated while watching the world blur outside. These trains will compete with airlines for speed and efficiency. Autonomous robo-taxis will reshape urban mobility. Instead of owning cars, people will summon AI-driven vehicles with a tap. These taxis will reduce accidents by analyzing every movement on the road in real time. Airports will see fewer short flights replaced by hyperloop systems. Sealed tubes with magnetic pods will revolutionize long-distance travel, cutting emissions and slashing time. The future will belong to silent, lightning-fast connections. Smart bike lanes and electric scooters will cover cities. Micro-mobility will solve the last-mile problem, allowing people to move quickly without polluting. Streets will become greener, quieter, and safer for everyone. Shipping, one of the largest polluters, will shift to hydrogen-powered and wind-assisted cargo ships. By 2028, global ports will witness a dramatic shift toward clean marine transport. Flying cars and drone taxis will become reality in select megacities. Vertical takeoff and landing hubs will connect rooftops, bypassing road congestion entirely. These flying vehicles will redefine urban skies. Parking lots will vanish as shared mobility grows. Old car parks will transform into parks, gardens, and community spaces. Cities will prioritize humans over cars, blending nature into infrastructure. Governments will create eco-cities where every transport mode runs on renewables. Streets will feature automated vehicles, AI-guided traffic, and emission-free mobility. Pollution-free living will finally be a reality. Renewable-powered charging stations will be as common as fuel pumps today. These hubs will use solar and wind energy to charge EVs, ensuring 24/7 sustainable power supply for mobility. By 2028, the world's transport won't just be about moving faster, it will be about moving smarter and greener. Each journey will blend efficiency with sustainability, creating a future where travel itself heals the planet. By 2028, highways will no longer just be flat roads of asphalt. Instead, they will evolve into smart ecosystems where every lane glows with adaptive LED lights that shift color depending on traffic flow. Solar trees will rise above them, harvesting sunlight to power the roads themselves, while vertical wind turbines along the barriers generate extra energy. Vehicles won't need toll booths anymore, as smart AI lanes will automatically read and deduct digital payments while simultaneously monitoring traffic. These futuristic roads will guide self-driving cars smoothly, reduce accidents, and generate clean energy on the go, turning every mile into a source of sustainable power. In major cities, magnetic levitation pods will begin to replace traditional metro systems. These pods, sleek and aerodynamic, will glide silently inside transparent glass tunnels above the city or deep underground. Unlike noisy trains, maglev pods will use superconducting magnets to float on air cushions, creating a travel experience that feels smooth, quiet, and futuristic. Commuters will enjoy lightning-fast rides without pollution, covering distances in minutes that currently take hours. These pods will operate on a demand basis, meaning you could order a pod through your phone, step into a personal cabin, and be transported instantly to your destination, all while contributing zero emissions to the environment. By 2028, personal air mobility suits will emerge as one of the boldest transformations in transportation. These wearable flying devices will empower first responders like firefighters and emergency doctors to soar directly to crisis zones, bypassing congested roads. Imagine a doctor flying across the city to reach a patient in need within minutes, instead of being stuck in traffic. Each suit will be powered by compact electric turbines combined with AI stabilizers, ensuring smooth and safe control. Beyond emergency use, these suits will also open a new world of adventure commuting, where everyday professionals might one day glide above skyscrapers instead of sitting inside crowded buses. Urban skies in 2028 will be alive with drone taxis buzzing quietly between vertical takeoff and landing pads perched on top of skyscrapers. These compact AI-controlled vehicles will carry 2 to 4 passengers each, lifting them above ground-level chaos. No more honking horns, no more traffic jams, just silent gliding above the city with breathtaking views. Powered entirely by electric batteries and solar recharge stations, drone taxis will also have smart safety features like collision avoidance AI and parachute systems for emergencies. For busy executives, families, or tourists, the skies will become a highway, and city rooftops will serve as the new airports. Rural areas, often overlooked in technological revolutions, will not be left behind in 2028. Futuristic solar-powered buses will connect small towns to megacities at speeds never seen before, offering luxury interiors, reclined seating, and personalized infotainment. These buses will have self-driving capabilities and will stop only when passengers request, making travel faster and smarter. Entire bus shelters will become green hubs, equipped with charging ports, free Wi-Fi, and even vertical farms that feed the community while they wait. For the first time, remote villages will have equal access to sustainable, modern transportation, knitting together urban and rural life. Ports and shipping industries will witness a radical transformation by 2028. Massive cargo ships will be replaced by autonomous, electric, AI-driven shipping fleets powered by hydrogen fuel cells. These futuristic vessels will leave no carbon trail behind, gliding silently across oceans with precision navigation systems. Drones will fly above, monitoring cargo movement in real time, while robotic cranes unload containers in minutes rather than hours. Ports themselves will turn into automated smart hubs, where goods flow seamlessly from ship to smart trucks and into cities. The future of global trade will no longer pollute seas, but instead protect them while delivering faster than ever. Highways won't just be roads. They will become green corridors by 2028. Massive vertical gardens will cover soundproof barriers, absorbing pollution and reducing noise while making roadsides look like lush forests. Self-healing roads made from recycled plastics will automatically fix cracks using embedded nanobots, extending road lifespans by decades. Charging lanes will let electric cars recharge wirelessly as they drive, removing the anxiety of running out of power mid-journey. Streetlights will be powered by wind and solar, with sensors that dim or brighten based on traffic density. These eco-highways will merge functionality, beauty, and sustainability into one seamless system. Airports in 2028 will be breathtaking symbols of sustainable engineering. Entire terminals will run on renewable energy, their rooftops covered with solar glass panels and vertical wind turbines. Boarding will be managed by AI assistants that guide passengers directly to their seats without confusion or delays. Hyperloop stations will connect airports to city centers in under 10 minutes, making check-in smoother than ever. Electric aircraft will dominate short-haul flights, taking off from runways with near silence, while supersonic hydrogen jets will revolutionize long-haul travel. Passengers will not just fly. They will glide into a carbon-free future where time and emissions are both cut in half. By 2028, underwater transport tunnels will amaze the world. Imagine riding in sleek pods beneath oceans and rivers, watching marine life swim past through transparent glass walls. These tunnels will connect islands and coastal cities, dramatically reducing ferry traffic and emissions. Built using sustainable alloys and powered by ocean energy, these pods will combine futuristic luxury with efficiency. Passengers will travel in climate-controlled cabins, surrounded by immersive digital displays that can either show real sea life or transform into entertainment screens. For many, the journey itself will become as memorable as the destination. In urban neighborhoods, 2028 will introduce modular transport hubs that combine multiple modes of travel in one location. Picture a single building that houses electric bike rentals, drone taxi pads, hyperloop entrances, and AI-guided shuttle buses. These hubs will operate like living organisms, self-sustaining through solar and wind power, and even producing clean drinking water through atmospheric generators. Residents will no longer need personal cars. Instead, they'll access an entire network of clean transport at their doorstep. This shift will free cities from congestion, reclaiming roads as green spaces for parks, cycling, and walking trails. Cargo delivery in 2028 will be nearly unrecognizable. Fleets of AI drones and autonomous vans will operate in perfect coordination, delivering packages across cities within minutes of ordering. Gigantic drone ports on skyscraper rooftops will sort and dispatch deliveries instantly. Even food will arrive in climate-controlled pods, keeping meals warm or cold as required. Instead of large warehouses far away, smart micro-warehouses will appear in every district, operated entirely by robots. This will eliminate delays and traffic pollution while offering lightning-fast logistics. For consumers, convenience will mean pressing a button and receiving goods within minutes. Efficient, green, and reliable. The future of transportation by 2028 will not just be about speed or luxury, it will be about harmony. Harmony between technology and nature, between humans and AI, between cities and the environment. Imagine a city where drone taxis hum above tree-lined eco-highways, where self-healing roads recharge electric cars, and where modular hubs connect every form of travel into one seamless network. This transformation will not be optional but essential, as climate change forces us to innovate or perish. In 2028, transportation will become humanity's boldest attempt to repair the planet while still moving forward at incredible speed.